Welcome to our comparison video, where we take a closer look at two popular portable washing machines, the Auertech Portable Washing Machine and the Mini Washer. If you're in the market for a compact laundry solution, you're in the right place. We'll explore their features, specifications, and help you decide which one is best for your laundry needs. When it comes to washing capacity, the Auertech Portable Washing Machine offers a significant advantage with its 18 pounds capacity, allowing you to wash larger loads at once. In contrast, the Mini Washer has a capacity of 15 liters, which is suitable for smaller, delicate items. This difference in capacity can greatly affect your laundry routine, especially if you have larger items to wash. The design of these two machines is quite different. The Auertech features a twin tub design, allowing you to wash and spin dry simultaneously, which can save you time. On the other hand, the Mini Washer has a foldable design, making it incredibly portable and easy to store, perfect for small living spaces or travel. In terms of features, the Auertech Portable Washing Machine includes a drain pump for easy water drainage, which adds to its convenience. Meanwhile, the Mini Washer comes with a spin basket, specifically designed for delicate items, making it a great choice for washing underwear and baby clothes. Each machine has its unique advantages depending on your laundry needs. In conclusion, both the Auertech Portable Washing Machine and the Mini Washer have their strengths and weaknesses. If you need a machine with a larger capacity and more features, the Auertech is the way to go. However, if portability and ease of storage are your top priorities, the Mini Washer is an excellent choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.